When I learned about this new way of how to make money online, I was in total disbelief because, guys, it's super easy. And with the help of AI, we do everything in simple clicks. Yes, you heard me, in simple clicks. So I'm super excited to share all the information with you guys in today's video. So you are welcome.
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech and sights so bright. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn.
So the first tool we are going to be using is known as DeepSeek. And if you don't have an account already, you can go ahead and sign up. And after signing up, it's going to bring you to this interface. And all you have to do is to click on Start Now. And it's going to bring you to this page over here. So just like its other alternatives, for example, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, it's going to bring you a chat over here. And this is where we are going to be putting our prompts to get the results that we are looking for. So for today's video, the prompt we are going to be using states like this. I want to sell digital products online and need your help identifying the top 10 most searched digital product niches on Google. My goal is to list these products on Teachable and optimize them for Google search rankings to generate organic revenue. So now we are going to click on this enter button to see what results it's going to come up with. So like you can see, it thought through the entire process and then it finally gave us different results that we can work with. For example, number one, it mentioned online courses for tech skills, and it goes ahead to give you examples. Specifically, it told you AI tools, and it also gave you examples under AI tools that you can work with. For example, ChatGPT, Midjourney. It goes ahead to show you that coding is also a good topic to work with, and it identifies what specifically under coding can you work on: Python, JavaScript. It mentions cybersecurity, data science. It also goes ahead to provide you with keywords that you can use while you're working on these courses. So it also gives you a reason as to why you should work on tech skills. So number two is about personal development and productivity. For example, time management, mindfulness, leadership training habit. So this can be in a form of an ebook, okay? And I'm going to show you how everything works. So one thing I want to mention is that if you're choosing an online course to work with, make sure you choose something that is not going to bore you out, something that you see yourself working on in long term, something that you enjoy doing, something that will keep you motivated so you don't give up on this online hustle before it actually pays off. Okay, so like you can see, guys, there is more examples. For example, creative arts and design, and this one gives us examples of graphic design, photography, music production. So we cannot handle everything in this video, but I think I'll make a detailed video about graphic design to be specific, and we will be using Canva. So let me know if you'd like to see that video so that I can work on it ASAP. Okay, like you can see, so these are the different examples, and like you can see, there is also parenting and kids education. And for this subject, you can easily start by creating, for example, kids books. It can be storybooks. For Amazon KDP, it can be coloring books, activity books, and I have a lot of videos on this channel that can guide you on that route if that's something you'd like to try out. And I'm going to leave them in the description down below if you guys would like to try them out and you see if that's a niche you would like to settle on, okay, and you start making money with that. So down here, they also provided us with SEO optimization tips for Teachable, so you can go through those as well. Then down here, they give us also validation tools, for example, to try out our different niche on Google Trends. We search for it and we see its popularity over time, okay? And we are going to do that just right now. So for this video, I decided that we should go with number one as our niche, online courses for tech skills. And we are going to choose one example under AI tools. So I think we should focus on ChatGPT. Let's go to Google Trends and we see how well that's being searched for. So once you're on Google Trends, you'll just type in ChatGPT. Then down here, they'll show you interest over time. And like you can see, its interest is really high over time. It keeps on going up, like you can see, okay? So this is what we are going to be working with. Now let's go back to DeepSeek and we give it a new prompt that we are going to use for our next generation. So our next prompt says, I like idea one. Give me a short prompt to use in Gamma.app to describe a detailed, easy to understand AI certification online course about ChatGPT, one of the best AI tools to use today. So I'm just going to click on this enter button to see what results they're going to give us. Okay, so as we wait for the results, guys, if you're finding value in this video already, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. So here are the results that DeepSeek has generated for us. And like you can see, we have a detailed prompt that we are going to be using in Gamma.app. But it did not end there. It also provided a structure with different modules, okay, like you can see. So this is what we are going to be using. So it went ahead also to give us key features to highlight over there. Like you can see, it provided a tone, and it suggested something professional yet approachable, no jargon, something not complicated, basically. So it also showed us our target audience, for example, professionals, entrepreneurs, and students seeking AI skills. So this online course is going to be for all of those three categories, okay? So it also provided some SEO keywords that are going to help us rank number one once we upload our online course for sale. Okay, so let's go over to Gamma.app and we start the generation process. Right now, I'm on Gamma.app and this is what the interface looks like. So like you can see, already signed in. So if you don't have an account yet, you will have to sign up. And if you have an account, simply log in and then you catch me over here. So they'll give you 400 credits for free to try it out. So I've also included a direct link to take you to Gamma.app so that you can try it out for free in the description down below. So you can find it and click on it. Then it's going to bring you over here. Okay. So now we are going to click on this option that says create, just like that, and it's going to bring us on this page over here. So like you can see, there is three different options. You can just paste in your text. You can click on generate so that the AI can do everything for you from scratch. Then you can also import your file or URL. Okay, so let's start with this option over here. After clicking on it, it's going to bring it to this page, and we are interested in the presentation. So like you can see down here, they show you that you can choose a number of cards that you'd like to use. So the free plan ends on 10 cards. So if you want more than 10, you'll have to upgrade your plan, like you can see. So I think we can work with 8 for now, which is okay. It might not come out really well, but this is something we can work with for now, okay? Like I said. So we are going to go back to DeepSeek, okay? And then we are going to collect our prompt that they generated for us earlier on, which is this. So I'm just going to copy it just like this. And then I'm going to go back to Gamma and we are going to paste it over here just like this. Then all you have to do is to click on generate outline. So this AI is going to come up with a beautiful outline that we are going to be able to use, like you can see. So like you can see, our course outline is now ready. So all you have to do is to go through it and you see whether you like everything they provided. If you're not happy with a certain result, you can always click on delete and you delete the card. And if you want to add a card, simply you click between the cards just like this, and this line over here is going to surface. So all you have to do is to click on it just like this, and that way you're going to be able to add a card. Okay, so let's remove that because we don't need it. Okay, so there is also another option over here where you can add a card to continue with the cards you already have, like you can see. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that there is different themes. You can click on them and you see which one you'd like to use for your course. So you're just going to go through all of them and you see which one stands out for you. So if you find a particular one, you can always click on it and use that. So I think we should go with this one over here. Let's click on select theme and then we are going to continue to the next thing. So you're going to scroll down furthermore and you'll see that there is an option of adjusting your text. So you can choose the amount of text per card that you want. You can choose brief, medium, detailed. So if also you want to get images from other sources, you can click over here and then you'll be able to get the images. Then if you also want a certain image, you can describe it over here to the AI and then it will generate adjust it for you. Okay, so right now we are not going to adjust anything when it comes to that. So I'm just going to click on generate, and we see what this AI is capable of creating. So guys, literally in one click, we're able to have our course ready. Like you can see, everything looks so great. This is impressive. This AI works magic, like you guys can see. So it did everything. It included the pie charts, the different images. So everything makes sense. If you were to do this by yourself, honestly, it will take you some time depending on how fast you work. Okay. So if you don't like the results you get, you can always click on create something else, and they'll generate for you something new. But I think this looks good for now. But let's also look at some more tools to see what we can do different. For example, if you click over here, you will see that it will open this section over here that allows you to change, for example, the color, to make the text bold, all these simple edits. So you can go through these simple tools and you see how they work. And also, if you click over here, you'll see that these three dots over here allow you to duplicate the card. You can copy the card link, you can download it, and you can delete it if you don't want it. So it has more tools over here where you can edit with AI. For example, you can improve on the writing, make this longer, okay, the card longer. You can simplify languages, everything over here, like you can see. So when you come to the right, you'll see that there is more tools. For example, the card templates, smart layouts, basic blocks. So you just have to give yourself time and you go through other different tabs available. Then you see how they function. Okay. So if you want to present the PowerPoint, you can just click on present, and that way you'll be able to present it. But right now we just want to download it, and we are going to add an audio to it, and I'm going to show you how we are going to do it. So once you're happy with the results, all you're going to do is to click on download, and then we are going to export this as a PowerPoint. Okay, so you'll come here and you click on export as a PowerPoint. Like you can see right now, it's in the process. So before we add a voiceover to our course, I want us to also try this paste in text option, and we see how it works. So we are going to use the outline that we have on DeepSeek. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this entire generation that DeepSeek gave us earlier on, the guide, or call it the outline. Then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on this option, and it's going to bring us over here. So what we are going to do is to paste everything over here, just like that. Then, like you can see, it's going to bring the options that we had earlier on: presentation, web page, and everything. So we are going to click on continue, and then we want to see what this AI is going to come up with. It's then going to bring us to this page over here, and you can go through the entire information that we provided. Make sure to eliminate everything that doesn't make sense to the prompt. So you can delete any card or any information that you don't want. Okay. Then after that, you're just going to click on the continue button, and it's going to ask you to pick a theme like we did at the first time. You're going to go through the different themes available, and if you find a particular one that resonates with you, you will just click on that. So I'm going to choose a different theme. I'm trying to see which one we can work with. Okay, I think I should choose randomly to save time, so let's just go with this one. So I'm going to go with that, and then after that, you're just going to click on generate. So let's see what this AI is going to come up with this time. So here are the results that it has come up with. Honestly, I think the first option is better, reason being it was more detailed. This is so brief. Maybe we could have done better with the outline, asking DeepSeek to make a better outline. But I think if you go with the first option, it's really better. Okay, like you can see, guys, this is so brief. It's not giving like the first one. Okay, so we looked at how all of these buttons function. Maybe the one thing I did not mention in the previous generation that we had first is that you can actually easily make edits by just clicking on the area you want to edit. You can delete, you can do all these simple things by easily clicking on the section that you want to edit. Okay, so let's go ahead and I show you how we are going to add a voiceover to our course. So we've decided to work with the first creation, which is this. Make sure to export it if you haven't already, whatever you worked on. Okay, so let's proceed to the next tool we are going to be using. The next tool we are going to be using is Canva, and on Canva you're going to choose the presentation option over here. If you don't have it on your dashboard, you can go ahead and search for it. So we are using presentation, so we are going to click on that. Then it's going to open a canvas that we are going to be working with. So it's going to bring you over here, and the first thing you need to do is to click on the uploads option. Then that way you're going to upload our course. Okay, so I already uploaded mine and it's under project, so I'm just going to go and find it. Then I'm just going to drag it and I drop it over here just like that, or you could just click on it just like this. So right here it asks you, do you want to apply all the 8 pages? So you're going to click on yes. So you will have to apply all the pages that you worked on. Okay, so I'm just going to accept that, and then I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing next. So all our 8 pages are now layered. Like you can see, we are going to go ahead and add a voiceover to them. So for the next step, I tried both DeepSeek and ChatGPT. So I like the ChatGPT results better, but let me first show you. So I followed the same steps with DeepSeek, and these are the results I got, but I prefer the ChatGPT results like I told you guys. So let me explain. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to ChatGPT or DeepSeek and you give it a prompt that says like this. This is my course. Then you will highlight the course from Gamma, and all you have to do is to highlight everything, okay, from beginning to the end, just like this. So let's do this really fast. Then you're going to right click and copy. Then you'll go back to ChatGPT and you're going to paste it over here, just like how I did. Then down here, you're going to add to the prompt, and you say, I want you to add a voiceover script to it. I'll be using ElevenLabs for the voiceover. So like you can see, it's going to generate for you a script over here explaining everything, okay? Like you can see. So this is what we are going to copy and we are going to use it in our next tool. So the voiceover tool we are going to be using is ElevenLabs, and once you're on the interface, you're going to choose the text-to-speech option over here, just like that. Then you're going to be able to paste in our generation that we just created in ChatGPT. So I'm just taking this out so that we have room for our new generation. So I'm just going to paste it over there, just like that. Of course, you need to read through and you make sure everything makes sense, okay, based on your course. So guys, you can also skip this step by recording yourself and using your own voice as a voiceover. Then you can attach it to the presentation, okay? So right here, you have an option of choosing a voiceover as well. So you can click over here and they'll bring the different voices available. So you will click on the different ones. And if you find the one you want to use, you will just click on it just like this, and make sure you see this tick over here because that's what shows you that you've selected it. Once you're done, you're just going to go ahead and you click on the generate button, okay, here where it says generate speech. So you're going to click on that and then you're going to give it some time to generate. Once you are done, you will click on the download button over here, and that way it's going to save on your device. Then we are going to head back to Canva and we upload it onto our presentation. Right now I'm back in Canva and I'm just going to click on the upload option over here, just like that. Then I'll click on upload files, and then I'm going to find the audio that we just worked on. Then I'm going to upload it. Once it's done uploading, you're just going to drag it and you drop it down here, just like this. So make sure it fits really well. Then you're going to play it and you make sure that everything aligns with the slide, like the audio aligns with the slide, okay? So let me check out this really quick. Now that we are done, we are going to click on present to see if it came out really well. So there is different options, like you can see present full screen, present a view, present and record, then autoplay. So let's try autoplay to see how it came out. So I'm just going to click on that and then I'll click on present, okay? So like you can see, guys, this is how it has come out, and like you can see, it's automatically pushing to the next slide. But the only problem here is that the voice over is not working. So what I thought of is for us to go back to resize. Once we are done downloading this as a PDF print, we will go back to to resize, and then we are going to click on video. Okay, then we are going to resize it and turn it into a video, so that way we can have better results while the voiceover is working. So this is the only way I could think of right now, but if I come up with better ideas, I'll be explaining to you guys in another video. So let's go ahead and play it to see how it has come out.
Welcome to Master ChatGPT, from beginner to advanced AI certification, your complete guide to mastering ChatGPT. In this course, you'll embark on a transformative journey, learning everything from basic concepts to advanced AI techniques. By the end, you'll be fully equipped to use ChatGPT efficiently, whether for business, content creation, or personal projects. Let's begin. Module 1. ChatGPT Fundamentals. In this module, we'll start with the basics, understanding how ChatGPT works and exploring its underlying architecture.
Honestly, I think that this has come out really great. So what you're going to do next is to just go to Teachable, and then you're going to be able to list your course over there. You'll just have to create an account. Like you can see, they have a free trial. You can start for free, and then you list your course over here to start making money online. So guys, before you leave, I just want to let you know that digital products are actually so broad. We all have different interests. So if you'd like to try out something different, I'm going to leave you this particular video that focuses on print on demand products. And what's even more amazing about this is that you don't need money to start. So you can find it in the description down below. Also, guys, from the scale of 1 to 10, I would like you to rate this video and you let me know how helpful it has been to you. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't liked this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much once again, and see you in my next one. Bye.